Hi, Jeff with Night Sky Murals. And this question is, do incandescent light bulbs work? No, they don't work at all. And those little party lights that look like the old incandescent bulb and they have a color on them, like they say it's a Blacklight party light, that is an incandescent bulb and it does not work. It doesn't matter what color they put on it, it does not work. The best way to charge your paint is with the Blacklight, the tube lights. A lot of those new LED strips, I mean, they have it's like a case like an old tube black light, but it has LEDs. Those will work, but not very well. And I know of 2 sets of LED strips that will work. So that's about it. So incandescents, no. Black lights, some LEDs, yes. If you have other questions, you can go to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/nightskyMurals. You can go to nightskystencils.com/FAQS and nightskyMurals.com/FAQS. So you can look for questions there and answers, and otherwise you can shoot me an email and I'll be happy to answer for you. Thanks.